And it goes a little something like
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope all of you are well, safe and sound. Lovely weather in Pakistan, very hot, and it's quite a few days now since I haven't made no video, I haven't uploaded anything. So right now I'm in Sohawa Punjab. So let's just show you guys what's the weather like. Weather temperature is probably, if I'm not wrong, about 37, 38, something like that. It's not very busy right now because people don't like coming out during the day because of hot weather, but I had to because I need a few things to sort out. So let's go. There you go, guys. This is at Sohawa Punjab. I'm right bottom of the basically Bazar, where the police station is. The people are living in Sohawa, they probably know where this place is. And just show you the shops. There you go. Here we are, my beautiful people. We are in Chakwal mode. As you can see, weather is quite hot, and like I said, temperature is probably about 38. Now we are at Pind Mate Khan. Look at this, guys. Look at him. What a guy. Honestly. No indicator, no nothing. Right in front of me. Right in front of me. Look at him now. Indicating. And he's turning towards left. What a man. Now we are Galyana mode. The roads are empty right now. And we're not far from Gujjar. Mashallah, we are now in Gujjar, and I'm so sorry if my camera is quite dark because obviously it's very bright outside. And there we are. PTI, People Party, PTI. Everywhere, flags everywhere right now. There you go, that shopping center. You probably guys have passed a lot of time. Look, fresh fruit. Total fresh fruit. Now I'm on RailWay Road in Gujjar. I need a couple of things, so I'm just making you guys enjoy as well while I'm enjoying it. So beautiful looking at these rickshaw and chingjis and things like that. Lovely. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Lovely place, Gujjar city. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with the family and friends. We'll speak to you guys soon and come out with another vlog. Right now, of course, I'm in Pakistan for another couple of more days, and by the time this will be uploaded, I think I'll be back home by then. So see you guys next time.